Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sohini Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So today I am super excited because I'm going to share my Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul. I bought a lot of products. Let me just quickly show you the package. Here it is. Okay, so I've got lots and lots of products starting from affordable to expensive products as well. So I'm super excited to share the products with you guys. Also do let me know if you have ever tried any of the products which I'm showing to you, and if you guys are interested to see a review or a full face or first impression, do let me know in the comment section below. Also before starting the haul, let me just quickly go through the videos I want to make. So few months ago I promised you guys to do a full face of Swiss Beauty. I had most of the products, but there are few of them which were missing out, so I have got those products with me. And another thing which is very interesting, I will be also doing full face of Inside Cosmetics. So I have got a lot of products from Inside Cosmetics as well. So I am going to quickly show you that because I want to swatch them, just feel them once I'm doing the video. So it will be a first impression. So let's begin. Okay, so Dollar is right here. He's just roaming right behind me, going here and there. Come here with me. Hi. Oh, the Baba. Say hi, Dolzy. Hi, my love. Hi, my love. Say hi, everyone. Hi, Balu. Shabaka hi, Bulda. He's so tall. He's taller than me. Anyway, so that was Dollar. I know a lot of people are like, yeah, Didi, aap to Dollar ko dikhate nahi ho. Okay, I'm gonna start with the essential. You guys already know the drill. I always restock my sanitary pads from Nykaa because that's the place where I get the perfect, the one I use actually. So the first one is the Whisper Ultra Soft Air Fresh pads. These are in XL. I've got 30 pads here. I don't remember the price. Anyway, so then I restocked my bigger pads, and these are the Whisper Koala Soft double XL pads which has 10 pads inside. So I've got 2 of that. Okay, let's start with the restock products and then I will move on to the new one. Okay. So next up is the Garnier Micellar water. You guys know I absolutely love this. I have recommended this to so many of you, and this is the oil infused micellar water which removes waterproof makeup, and yeah, you can use it on your eyes, lips. It does not sting and I love it. The price of this is actually $4.99 for 400 ml, but there was amazing offer, so I think I got it for 280 to 290 rupees. This bottle for 280 to 290. Amazing. Alright, I don't think I've restocked any more products, so I'm gonna start with the new ones. So this is by Saul. This is their kit which was there, and I had to get this because there was amazing reviews. A lot of influencers were talking about this product. They said it's amazing, the fragrance is amazing. So this was the kit and I've received this too as a free gift. So inside this package I have got 3 products. So the first one is this body and hair mist. This smells, I won't say divine. I like this fragrance, but not my favorite, honestly. The next thing is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This smells really nice. I like that. And then I have the shower gel. Again, this smells like vanilla, so I really like it. I mean, I like the packaging as well. And then I have received 2 products as gifts from this brand. This is the scrub which smells very, very, very bad. I don't know why. And this is the Bum Bum Cream again. And this all set retailed for rupees 2200. And yeah, ye 2 free mil gaya uske saath. So I think it was worth it. Next, I have bought this One Thing Centella Soothing Cream. Now, this is the packaging, inside packaging. This is a gel based cream which is very lightweight. It was again suggested by Shrija and she suggests the best products to me, and I'm super excited to try this out because I've already tried it on my hand. It felt very soothing and also very lightweight. It absorbed quickly, so I'm super excited to try this. Do let me know what you guys think about the product if you have ever used it. Also, the price of this was little expensive, honestly. It retails for rupees 1450 for 100 ml product. I think I've got it around 1200. So yeah. So this is a restock, I actually forgot. This is the PAK Cosmetics Lash Fixer Eyelash Adhesive. Now this one retails for rupees 450. This is the black one. I absolutely love this product. But recently I came across this Micellar lash glue and liner in one, and it's in white. They also have, I think, black one. So I thought of trying the white one first and then go for the black one, because again it retails for rupees 545, which is expensive than the PAK one, but ispe bhi kuch discount tha, so I got it for 490 to 499, something around that. I've used it today, guys. I am definitely impressed with the product. If you guys want me to do a separate video like a short or a reel on Instagram, do let me know. I would love to do that. I mean, this worked so amazingly, and iska na koi stain bhi nahi hota hai. There is no blue stain or black stain. It's just clear, which worked amazingly. Let me show you the pen first. So here is the pen. As you can see, I've used it today, so it's a little dirty, and when you apply this, this is how it is going to look like. See, it's a little white, but thoda der baad ye bhi chala jata hai. It's all clear. So I'm loving this product. Next, I have bought this Color Bar Ultimate Cutie Nail Enamel Remover in the flavor Classic. So I am excited to try this. Actually, let's try it. As you can see, मेरा दोनों हाथ का nails का color बहुत different है because I eat with my hands. It's actually turmeric stain, but let me just quickly try one finger. आप लोग देख सकते हो. Let's just try it and see if it works or not, because बहुत जन बोलते it works. Anyway, as you can see, it does work a little bit. Hope you can see the difference. Moving on, I have bought two lipsticks. This is from L18. This is their liquid lip color. I've got the shade number B92, which is Tawny Wood. It's a beautiful terracotta kind of a nude shade. I'm gonna swatch the shade here. Wow. This is very pretty. Now this one retails for rupees 120, but I think I got it around 80 to 90 rupees. The next lipstick I've got is from Sugar Pop. It's a new brand to me. I haven't tried anything from this brand, and मुझे ना इनका packaging बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I thought of trying the matte lip color. The shade I've got is 02 Mauve. This is the outer packaging, and this is the inner packaging. As you can see, it's very cute. So this is in the shade Mauve, which is number 02. I'm going to swatch the shade here. It's quite dark, but it's a matte shade. Next, I've bought this Revolution Microblade Brow Pencil, and I've got the shade Dark Brown. This one retails for rupees, how much? 299, but there was no discount on this, so I've got it for 299 only. So here is the pencil, as you can see. It comes with a spoolie as well. Let me see the shade actually. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it here. Okay, it's quite dark, but it's a little waxy, so you have to, you know, I don't think it will be a problem. Let's see. It's quite small, so it's gonna work really nicely. Actually looking forward to use it. अभी तो browse किया हुआ है, फिर भी it is very, you know, precise. Okay, so now let's start with Swiss Beauty products, and then I will move on to the Inside Cosmetics products. So for Swiss Beauty, I've got this skin polishing honey and sugar scrub. This one retails for how much? 329. I've got it around 250 rupees, and this is how the packaging is going to look like. I have bought this for my body. Smells nice, not organic definitely. Next I have got this Swiss Beauty Sculpt Lift Contour Palette. I'm again very excited because it has two shades for contour and bronzing, highlighter, and this is kind of like a powder to set your under eyes. I'm super excited to try this out. Again, I'm not gonna swatch anything because I want to do a full face of first impression. I thought this is an eyeshadow palette, but this is a lip palette, and I've got the 9 color lip palette. It's on the move palette, high pigment, long lasting and creamy matte. As you can see, love this packaging. And here are the shades, all darker shades, so I'm literally not happy with this purchase. But if you guys want me to swatch all the shade, then I have to use it. So do let me know if you guys want me to swatch all the shades on my lips or not, so I can do a shorts video or a reel video. Next I've got their super matte liquid lipstick. This is their new launch, and I've got the shade Terracotta 06. I'm gonna swatch this one for you, definitely. This is the shade. Next I have got this Swiss Beauty Pure Matte Lipstick. Again, I am not gonna swatch this, I guess. Okay, let me just quickly swatch it for you. So the shade I've got is Murphy Brown 229. This is the shade. I'm gonna swatch it here. Nice, pretty shade. Alright, moving on to the next product. I've bought this Twist and Turn Mascara. This curls up your lashes, gives volume as well as length. Tempted about the packaging, so I've got this. And lastly, from Swiss Beauty, I have bought their Flawless Complexion Foundation. It is a long wear weightless foundation. The shade I've got is 06 Beige Sand. Now I have few Insight Cosmetics products. So the first thing is their Pore Minimizer. This is how it is going to look like. I'm gonna see the packaging क्योंकि मैंने खुद भी नहीं देखा है. So here is the packaging of the Pore Minimizer. Next I've got their Smudge Free Eyebrow Pencil. The shade I've got is brown. Comes with a spoolie. And here is the pencil. It's quite dark. I'm gonna swatch. यहाँ पे. Wow, this is pigmented. Yeah, it retails for ₹120. I think I've got it around ₹100 only. Next, I have bought this Flawless Finish powder from Insight Cosmetics, and the shade I've got is LY, and the shade I've got is LNY15. Hopefully this will match. Next, I have got this Instant Glow Liquid Illuminator from Insight Cosmetics. The shade I've got is 02 Fair. Next, I've got their Pro Eyeshadow Palette. So here is the packaging. Wow. I'm gonna swatch this one. Wow. Next, I've bought their Insight Highlighter, and the shade I've got is Mermaid Scale. It retails for ₹105. I actually don't remember मैंने इसको कितने में लिया है. Next I've got their foundation. This is the high coverage dewy finish foundation. The shade I've got is MNY20. Hopefully this will match. Next I've got their non-transfer matte lipstick. The shade I've got is Paris Vibe. थोड़ा messed up है lipstick, but फिर भी will work it through. Lastly, I've got their concealers. Let me go through this one first. So this is the HD Concealer Corrector Contour Palette. The shade I went for is medium skin tone. So here is the packaging and here is the shade. I've also bought their popular concealer, but the shade I was confused, so I got the palette as well. So the shade I went for is MN30 for light to medium and medium skin tone with neutral undertone. Hopefully it's I do think it is going to be not a highlighting concealer but a full match. So yeah, those were the products I have bought from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. Do let me know what you guys think about the products. Let me know which video you want to see next, and yeah, I'm going to mention all the product details down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. And thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.